This is a Marx Mot-O-Run set that my wife was given back in the 50s. She stayed at the Bath Davenport home, an orphanage in Bath, New York. And when she went to foster care, she loved this little toy so much they let her take it with her. Still has the 5 original cars. The only problem with the cars, they stopped working. The whatever material Marx used had gotten worn away. So I contacted one of the Marx gurus, Gary Anderson, who told me to use a paint pad. You have to cut it to the right thickness. You have to kind of tweak on them a little bit to get them to work. But we finally got it to work pretty good, and we thought we'd demonstrate it to you. The cover was quite well worn, but I wanted to preserve the artwork, so I just used another cardboard to reinforce and rebuild it. Okay, babe, plug it in. And there they go, along with Bon Scott and AC/DC. A ticket for a one-way ride. Looks like Sandra Bullock and Keanu Reeves are driving that bus. In the movie, that's probably where they got the inspiration from the movie, for the movie Speed. Got quite the drift. But we got them working pretty good, and hopefully it'll entertain our grandkids as well as it did my wife. So love how that bus really fishtails. So thanks again for watching. Remember, Jesus is Lord, and we thank Gary Anderson for his input to get this cute little toy working again.